This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 29, 2024. It's currently June 12, 2024, 12:32 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $182.92. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 29th reading was created on May 24, 2024 at 12:50 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme and behavior for Boeing on the 29th, we have a big move higher, pushing the upper end of a range higher. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a crest that we sell off from down 2 and through support, and then we do a U-shaped reversal below that support, come back and reuse it at that price level as support. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a rally increasing with momentum out of the low, and then I'm advised to trade around 3 pokes through the same trend line, followed by a sharp drop off at the third poke. Also, I should point out that the high and the low should be within close time proximity to each other. That may not be the case in this one. Usually when you see the correlations, the high and the low card correlating to each other, usually means they're within close time proximity to each other, but I'm not so sure about it. Looking at this reading, that might not be the case on this reading. In any case, I'm going to get into the hour by hour chart behavior as well as timing the highs and lows and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. On the 29th, out of a decline, there's an unexpected move to the upside in the pre-market. That rally turns over around the open, where it's halted around the open with a sharp decline through key support, taking us into a low in that first half hour, out of which we have a big move higher, taking us to multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, roughly between 10 and 11, and one of those failed attempts to break through the key resistance will then turn into a decline through key support, leading to a trough just before 12 o'clock. I'm advised not to chase that decline there just before 12 o'clock. There's a big move to the upside with this Ace of Swords energy, a big move to the upside taking us to a high just after 12 o'clock, and that'll be a resistance level that we decline from and likely return back to. So we decline from that high, and that turns into sideways rotation at around another trough somewhere between 1 and 2 o'clock, probably closer to 1:30. A big move to the upside and then more sideways rotation there. Yeah, it looks like that rally continues into the last hour, where we have some sort of intentional fake out or shakeout and halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline into the close, where we have sideways rotation and more decline in the post-market or the following day. There's a significant reversal on a multi-day scale highlighted as a sneak preview for the 30th. And that's Boeing for July 29, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trades momentarily.